masaya tayo na selebrasyon dahil ang PMAP Makatao Awards ginawaran po ang Signal Big Winner tayo dito. Yan at ang iba pa sa report ni Francis Rivera.
Sa ikalawang pagkakataon, wagi tayo mga kapatid. Binigyang pagkilala bilang TV Station of the Year ang Signal TV, 1PH at 1 News sa kakatapos lang na People Management Association of the Philippines of PMAP 13th Makataong Awards for Media Excellence. Tinanggap ni na Signal HR Jose Christopher Cadua, Signal Head of Channel Management and Programming Risa Gulas at sa totoo lang Anchor and Signal Head for News, Jovi Francisco, ang tropeo.
So thank you very much to the PMP Makatao Awards for again this recognition, and this really helps us raise our standards even more and expand the reach of truthful and meaningful storytelling.
It was a challenging and hectic past year for us, all of us in the industry, because of the elections, The Hague, the Vatican, and the corruption issues in government na patuloy nating binabantayan. But we will continue delivering fair and needed content. So thanks PMAP for the recognition and citation. Thank you. Thank you.
Pinasalamatan din ni Signal News Head Jovi Francisco ang bawat pamilya ng mga Giorno sa walang sawang suporta.
We want to share itong awards na nakuha natin today sa mga families, sa mga journalists, nating lahat, because sila yung nagbibigay ng permiso na yung oras natin ilaan natin sa work natin to do good journalistic work, and we vow to do more fair work sa mga susunod na mga taon. So thank you for this recognition.
Kabilang din sa binigyan ng parangal ang ating kapatid at One Balita Pilipinas Anchor, Cheryl Cosim, bilang TV News Program Host of the Year at ang Frontline Pilipinas bilang TV News Program.
This award reminds me of why we do what we do. To inform with integrity, to tell stories with compassion, and to serve the public with truth at the center. Thank you again, PMAP. Maraming pong salamat for recognizing responsible and humane journalism.
Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Francis Rivera, hatid ang muka ng balita.